thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. Think I was broken, I needed some time to clear my head. 'Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone, Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken, I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you. I see a river floating its way out to the sea. I can remember.
Well, of course, a sunshade's not going to survive a nuclear attack, but it got you to watch it. Why don't you just hang around for a minute and have a look and see how good it actually is. Now, my name's Paul, and I'm from the YouTube channel Older is Optional, and the guys from OPENROAD sent me one of these to test out. Now, I've got to tell you, we test a bit of gear out every now and again, just part of the job, and I've got to tell you, this has really impressed me. It's an amazing bit of gear. So why don't you just spend a couple of minutes with me and let's have a look around this Canopy and see what it's really like. Now, this, as it says, it is from OPENROAD, fantastic company to deal with. Everything happened as they said that it would, and it goes around 270 degrees, and it's a good bit of gear. Let's have a look together, shall we? It does go around 270 degrees, and it is a good bit of kit. I'm very impressed with it, I must say. So one of the things that I'm most impressed with is this bit here. Now, whilst it may not look like much from the camera here, now I've got to tell you, the last couple of nights here when we've been camped, it has been exceptionally windy, and this thing has handled it, no dramas at all. It is a good bit of gear. What happens is these poles here, they fold up underneath and connect into here. And if you don't want to have the poles out or it's calm, you don't need to have them out. But it's been very windy the last couple of days, so we've put them out and the guide ropes. And I've got to tell you, I'm quite surprised how well it's handled it. Now, there's 3 struts going out with 3 poles, and you will notice that you can, with the poles out, which are telescopic, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, you can get this thing really quite solid. Looking around, this is the bracket that mounts onto the car. Everything folds back into that bracket to there, and it works an absolute treat. Have a look at this, even the which I was very impressed with, even the straps, everything that comes with this bit of gear is really good. I must say, I'm quite impressed. Now, in each one of the arms you get lights that come in. You just plug this into your cigarette lighter. We'll do that together, shall we? Just plug it into your cigarette lighter. Okay, so you plug, there's 3 of these that connect into one. You connect this into your USB light. The other night we were just using a phone charger, and it works really well. And you just press the lights. Okay, so we just press the buttons and you've got different levels of lights. That orange ambient light is nice and romantic and good for the mosquitoes. I'll give you the tip, mosquitoes are not good for romance, but that orange light is good. So the lights are good, the bit of gear is good. Now what you do is you pull it around, which we'll show you later, and then you've got this great cable on the end here with a ratchet, and as you pull that, it ratchets tighter around. It's very good. Nice and firm. In the event if you get rain, you got your tie downs here just to get that rain to droop off. Overall, I have to say, a fantastic bit of kit. Very impressive with the quality. Certainly can notice the difference between this and some of the other gear that we've had. It's just a quality bit of gear, well worth the money. If you'd like one, I'll leave the link open in the description for you to have a look.
The lights are on sensors, so it's really awesome. You can, the little sensor in there, off, on, yellow light for mozzies, fluoro, and then a half, and then off again. And each one is individual, so you don't have to have them all on. You can have one or all three on.
Which one's better for romance?
Turning them off.
Turn them off. And how do you think they'd cope the nuclear bomb?
Like the rest of us.
Yeah, splat. It has tie downs to tie down to your pole down here, or your peg down here. We've been using sand pegs. We're at the beach. Let me just show you our view at the moment out of our tent. But we're at the beach and it's been very, very windy. So we've had to really tie them down with sand pegs, and that's gone really well. You do get a kit with all the pegs and everything in it. No actual sand pegs, so we just bought our own sand pegs and we swapped them out over the weekend.
Okay, so this is a perfect opportunity to see how good this thing is, because we're going to put it down in the wind. I hope this sounds alright. We're going to put it down in the wind. We didn't survive the nuclear bomb blast, but we're surviving the winds. This is how easy. I've never done this. It's the first time we put it back. So the poles up, Velcro. Yep, okay, so poles up, Velcro. They're brand new, so the Velcro's still a bit sticky. Come close. That should be alright, shouldn't it? Right. I can't tell you how good this is. Okay, so that's all that done there. We come around here, Liam, it'll be fine. It comes with this Velcro. It comes with this Velcro hook, which does that. So what you can do is when you're setting it up, I apologise, it's a bit harder in the wind. Pull this around as far as you want to go, and then you just pull on the loose one and the Velcro's up. So we just hook that ratchet up, hook that up, and then that will just Velcro. That will ratchet up, and when you've had enough, just undo it here and it lets it loose. Very good. Very good. I guess the thing you got to be careful of is you don't lose this. Okay, so just take it around. Three of them. Quite versatile. Up she goes. She's all wrapped up there now. What we're going to do is zip. Excellent quality zip. Like I said it before, everything's just a really good. And it tucks up under the sleeve. Tucks up under there where it's not going to get wet. Oh, it's very good. Honestly, OPENROAD. If you want a 270, this is the one. Good night, everyone.